Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily change currency in Site123. So let's just start, my friends. You want to scroll down and just go whenever you get like e-commerce store or events or whatever. You want to click here on edit and then you're gonna see it here on settings and payment methods. So now you can see like main currency and you can just easily change the currency to something else. Let's just find United States dollar. Click here and save. Nice. So, okay, let's see it. You can see it here that everything is in dollars right now. So this is how we can change the currency in Site123. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance, support. You know how it works. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.